Well, hello everybody, welcome back to Best Life and Beyond. The holidays have arrived at Disneyland.
Yay, we're here. We finally made it. We wait all year for this.
Yep.
And although it's 90 degrees today,
oh no, it's not.
We're gonna have a blast.
My mind says no, it's 50 degrees and it's cool and it's about to snow.
It will snow tonight. We're going to be here for the first snow, the lighting of Small World, the lighting of Sleeping Beauty's castle.
Yep, all the treats.
We're gonna check out the parade, eat some food. It's gonna be a total blast. Obviously, we're gonna come at you with more food videos.
Yeah.
We have so much coming up this month in general.
Yep.
But today is the day we just celebrate and have a blast.
And the train is leaving the station as we arrive, and look at the flowers next to Mickey.
Oh, the poinsettias.
Yeah, the poinsettias. Holiday red and white.
We also got new maps. We have a new...
the maps. And the food guide, is that what that is?
That's the yummiest food guide, so
boy.
we'll be using that to our advantage.
Oh boy.
And I think the most awesome surprise is going to be down on Main Street.
Down on Main Street.
Perhaps it's a treat.
Oh, sorry.
By the way,
I shouldn't have sang.
we wore our PJs today because it's always pajama day.
Yep.
I'm super comfortable.
With your matching ears, look at that.
I know, and these are from 2 years ago. And you participated in the pajama game too.
Yep.
We're matching, because Target.
Jingle Mickey, or Holiday Lights Mickey, I don't know, Mickey Tree.
Mickey Tree, let's call it the Mickey Tree.
Cool.
I like that. All right, we're gonna head in onto Main Street. I'm so excited to see what it looks like. Oh, I love this at night.
More poinsettias at the train station. And look, Steve put a nice wreath on the fire truck.
Cute.
And there's the tree. It's our first look at the tree, Katie, look.
It's so beautiful.
And the horse and carriage waiting to just take people down Main Street, magical Main Street.
The horses have jingle bells on them too.
They do, huh?
Did you know that? And then they have, the back is decorated and they have a little decoration on their little tails.
Town square and a nice low angle of the Christmas tree. Look at that. Wow. Christmas cards, huge ornaments. And Pixar, Charlie and Adam, the woo! What's up, you guys?
What's happening?
Happy holidays!
I like how he said our names and then you went. I know. Oh,
yeah.
Katie.
And I was like, oh.
We're all wearing our appropriate shirts.
Very nice, Adam. Very festive. Grumpy's in the house.
I got my grump on. That is a very silvery Santa face.
Yeah. Silver Santa.
Mirror on my face. Who is the fairest Santa in this place?
He is. Look at him.
Yeah, clearly.
It's hard to beat.
You
So
could get
shiny.
a tan. You're getting a nice tan.
Oh, that's awesome.
Beautiful.
So we found some of our friends wearing their pajamas on Pajama Day! What's up, you guys? Merry Christmas, happy holidays.
Christmas, happy holidays. We are from San Diego, California, and she's Belle. My name is Danny.
Good to meet you guys. We love San Diego, and we're so glad that you guys participated. Check us out. I mean, we're ready. Ready for first day of the holidays here at Disneyland. Looking good, you guys. Ah, the holiday wreaths are back. I forgot how much I missed those. And look at Main Street, just looking so festive. I know I always say that word festive, but it really is. Disney knows how to do festive. Whoa.
Trying to add to the mood here.
I know, it's like, it's not Halloween anymore, Adam.
Keep it under the shade.
It's not Halloween anymore, but look who we ran into. It's Nate and Bree, Nate Bree AP.
Come on, are you vlogging too?
Whoa, this is like, woo. I can't wait to see what this looks like.
Alien is wearing the same clothes you are. Look at his outfit. She's wearing the same pants. Like, you guys are matching almost.
I think we
matching aliens.
I think we might have to get one of those today if they're not sold out already, because that's going to be like our little child, our little alien
I
child.
like how you're like twinsies.
That's right.
Total twinsies.
That's right.
The kids jingle belling and everyone's telling you be up your cheer. It's the most wonderful time of the year.
The wreath has been installed. It's official. Always exciting on this day. Can't wait till later till that thing lights up. It's going to be very exciting. There will be a lot of people gathered right here to witness that, and we'll be right here too. And look at the little Christmas trees in the hub and the poinsettias. I think this is where the yellow white tree controversy happened back in the day, if I'm not mistaken. I wonder if that'll be resurrected this year. And look at the planters in the hub, the little holly berries, Matterhorn in the background. So cool. Over here by Jungle Cruise, Charlie, you noticed that What are those snowmen made of?
They look like coconuts.
They do. Look at how cool that is.
Coconut.
And Katie, it looks like everything else. Palm leaves and...
There's a sign, it says, Happy Holidays, Christmas tree is lost in the jungle, but we're doing the best we can from the Jungle Cruise.
That is so great. And look at, there's even a fish skeleton. Look at that guy.
But did you see they made it out of palm trees and rope and an old mast? I mean, it's not even a tree. That's not a tree.
All available parts, yeah.
They made it out of what they had around.
That's so great. And the banana garland. Come on.
Banana garland.
Yeah.
So good. They did a good job though, considering they didn't have a tree.
Lots of little details up there. We spotted Sandy Claus. There he is. Available for meet and greets this year. Wow. That is really cool over here in New Orleans Square.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, it's come up the top.
It's the Disneyland Railroad.
Candy cane beignets,
Yes.
right? All right.
You have to look into the
They
fog
don't really
there.
look. Oh, look, it's starting to haze out.
Yeah, look at
Wow.
it. Watch. Poof.
Oh, that's good.
Cranberry Julep. This is
Yes.
new for this year or what?
So seasonal julep is a cranberry julep. We're gonna see if it's as good or even close to the watermelon julep. Oh wow, it's definitely tart. I like it. I actually like this a lot. It's not as good as the watermelon though. Sorry. But it's better than the Halloween one we had. What was the Halloween? It was like lychee and
There's no eyeball.
yeah, there's no eyeball.
Just a piece of fresh fruit, which I like more than a retina.
Yeah.
A lychee retina. This is really good though. I'm not mad at it. I like it. He thinks it's gonna be overly sweet.
Really good though.
Right?
It's not that sweet, you're right. I stand corrected.
Thank you so much.
I would have this again. 10 out of 10, I would have this again.
All right. What do you think?
I like it. It's not overpowering either.
Right.
It's not, you don't taste a lot of the mint or the cranberry. It's a nice blend of everything.
Yeah.
It's very tasty.
It feels like you're drinking the holidays.
Yeah, it tastes like Thanksgiving.
Literally half an ounce is drank. Just me, I've consumed like this entire beverage in 2 gulps.
What did you think of it?
I liked it.
You liked
Better
it?
than the Midnight Julep.
That was the one without sans the retina. These look really good. I'm actually very happy about these.
I got a little chocolate sauce on this here.
I'm gonna dip
All right, we're each
too.
going with a full beignet each.
We sure are.
You going chocolateless?
Oh yeah, I gotta do dipper.
Yeah, you gotta do
What are you
chocolate.
doing? This is new for this year. We've
We're each
never
gonna-
had chocolate.
We're gonna nibble on an ear all at the same time. Somebody count it down from 27. 27,
5.
4, 23, 2, 1.
go!
I love it.
like a chocolate donut.
No,
That is
the peppermint's
delicious.
kicking in now.
I actually like it.
The candy cane is an odd flavor.
It's a peppermint patty in a
Now
beignet.
the other year
love
without
it.
chocolate.
I actually like it better with the candy cane. Now somebody has to drink all the chocolate sauce that we don't eat.
Not me.
Who are you pointing at?
I just pointed downstream.
Oh!
It's like Willy Wonka's chocolate. That's how you mix the chocolate.
Yes! Got all your fingers?
That's how you do it.
Did you get any?
It's like more. All right, we made it to Critter Country. Very festive. Let's see what's going on back here.
I wore my jingle bells.
I can hear that.
Now you'll always know where I am at.
Oh boy.
Where's Katie?
No, did you hear something? Okay, there's the sign, this way to Santa. We're gonna follow that. Look at all the gifts stacked up for everybody in Critter Country. They're gonna have a good Christmas, it looks like. There's the snowman Pooh Bear and the piglet. Look at that. They've made some snowballs. They're getting ready for a little battle, it looks like. There's Santa. We're gonna go grab a photo with him.
I've heard.
Well, hello, Jack. We're gonna come probably see you either later tonight or tomorrow. I just wanted to check in. Happy holidays, everyone! There's the Pluto bucket for this year. They always change it. He's got a really cool sweater. It's the Ugly Christmas sweater. Good job, buddy. Looks like those are 18 bucks. Alien Pizza Planet, Tomorrowland. Apparently there's some holiday offerings in treat form and in savory form. Is this true?
Parfait. There's a parfait.
Okay.
And then
Parfait circle.
Yeah,
Think about it.
Yeah, I like that.
Copyright me.
Yeah.
Oh,
There he is.
he has his Santa hat on.
And then there's the parfait. Look at that.
But what is it? It's like green moon rocks on there?
Katie got little standard cheese. I got the special pizza. There's the name of it right there. Popped it in for you. Brush Leisha, Adam called it. Bruschetta Leisha.
Bruschetta Lisa.
Yeah.
Leisha. I just said Lisa. That's when you know I need some Diet Coke.
Sort of Parmesan dust action there.
There's some more Parmesan here.
Oh, I did too. We stocked up. Look at that. It's like a deck of cards. Pick a card, Spence. Pick a card. What do you think?
It's good.
Is it like
I like it.
bringing up holiday vibes for you?
And the spicy is just the flavor. It's not like a hot spicy.
It's spiced.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah. All right, parfait time.
Time to eat our broccoli.
Circle of parfait. It's a parfait circle.
Parfait circle. I like that we had to repeat it. That's how we make it happen.
In
so
stereo.
it'll always be said again. Okay, everybody, let's try it. Spoons in. Spence, you can eat this. Trash. It's white chocolate. You look scared. You have to kind of get every layer though. Again, everybody at the same time. It's a party. It's a parfait circle party. Cheers.
Cheers.
Adam?
Cheers.
Huh. Oh, got food.
Thank you for waiting.
That's good. Tastes like a Girl Scout cookie.
Oh yeah.
It does.
Cinnamon.
Yeah.
I'm trying to place
That's it. As it does smell like that too.
It's really good.
Going to Toontown, we're going to check out and see what's happening over here. Look at the wreath above the fire station. It's flashing, much like a siren. I love that. It's golden hour in Toontown. Sun hitting the wreaths above the 5 and dime. Looking so good. At the gazebo, Katie's walking up, and look right behind you.
Is the tree?
The tree, it's lit. Wow. Let's go check it out.
Okay.
Look at the big, huge bows. And we saw this tree the other day, but it wasn't lit up. Look. These are the classic bulbs I like too. And the lights at Daisy's Diner, also active. She's ready. And Mickey has turned his lights on too. He's ready for all the action here. It's Christmas Goofy. There he is. Happy holidays, Goofy. Yeah. Wow. The sun's going down and Matterhorn's got that alpenglow that I love so much this time of day. Almost nighttime. Charlie's in his best life pajamas for pajama day.
He has his little hat.
It's his sleepy time hat. Yeah.
That is so cute.
Nice Pixar Charlie. He's getting very excited. He's like, come on. I can't wait for the lights. Come on.
Please direct your attention to It's a Small World as we celebrate the joy of the holidays. 1, 2, 3.
All right, let's make our way to the castle, you guys. Let's go, let's go.
Quickly. We gotta munch.
We're on a mission. Some of our friends wear PJs. What's up, you guys?
Hey, PJ Crew.
Happy holidays! Here come the skiers. I love these guys.
Skier
And happy holidays to you too. And you.
more time. Do you believe in the magic? Yes, smile.
Beautiful.
Bottle topper.
Oh my gosh, and it screws on.
It's functional.
This is perhaps the best thing I've got all year.
Well, plus these days of all these paper straws, it's like, you know, better to get
Straw
the...
with plastic.
No penguins were killed.
Exactly.
Look at how cute
Penguins
it
say
is.
soda.
Oh my gosh, and it lights up. What? How did that happen? I know, right?
When will it happen? We'll see. It won't be long now.
The lighting is so pretty.
Dylan, it's good to see you, buddy.
See you too.
Yes, happy holidays.
Holidays. Yeah.
Make sure to follow Theme Park Obsession. Look,
Thank you.
Adam and David, everybody's hanging out. Super fun. Okay, there's a really good view of the castle through Deacon's glasses, you guys. Look at that. If that's not a Deacon adventure right there, right in his glasses.
I decided I needed to fuel up on some sugar. So this has hot fudge, crushed peppermint candy canes. It's peppermint ice cream, whipped cream, a cherry, obviously a chocolate dipped waffle cone with more crushed peppermint.
Gosh.
I know, it's incredible.
And you got this at Gibson Girl on Main Street.
Yep, and it's like around $5 after your discount. You can mobile order it. Look at this. My goodness.
Is it everything you want it to be?
It's the best thing.
There's the Christmas tree all lit up. Look at that. We're just patiently waiting for the fireworks. We're kind of mid-Main Street here. A few minutes away. Another great way to end the night. Good night, Mickey. Thanks for having us.